Making money with Google Ads involves either running ads on your own website or leveraging them as an advertiser to promote products. Here's how you can make money with Google Ads. Monetize your website with Google AdSense. Google AdSense allows you to display ads on your own website or blog. Sign up for AdSense, and once approved, you can place ads on your site. You earn money when users click on ads or view them. The more traffic your website receives, the more opportunities you have for ad clicks, which increases your earnings. Promote your business with Google Ads. If you own a business, use Google Ads to advertise your products or services. Set a budget and bid on keywords relevant to your business. When users click on your ad, you pay a small fee, but if your ad leads to a sale, you can earn much more. This method is ideal for increasing sales, leads, or web traffic by targeting potential customers based on their search intent. Use Google Ads for affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products through Google Ads. When users click on your ad and make a purchase, you earn a commission.